Hi, welcome to another video by NetCalculus. Today, we're going to discuss about dot product for algebraic vectors. Here we have two algebraic vectors a and b. Each vector consists of its x, y, and z components. The dot product of these two vectors will be ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. And remember, a dot b is always a scalar number. Next, we determine the angle between two vectors. The angle between two vectors, if you watched the previous video, you'd recognize this formula. Cos theta equals a dot b divided by the magnitude of a times the magnitude of b. Now this formula can be written in the algebraic way as and here a dot b is equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz divided by the magnitude of vector a would be the root of ax square plus ay square plus az square times the magnitude of vector b would be bx square plus by square plus bz square. Now let's try some examples. Here we have two vectors a and b. Vector a is 2, 3, 9 and vector b is 7, 10, 8. We have to find the dot product between these two vectors. Now, referring to the formula, a dot b equals ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Now here ax is 2 and bx is 7. So it's 2 times 7 plus 3 times 10 plus 9 times 8. And this is equal to 14 plus 30 plus and 9 times plus 72, which is equal to 14 plus 30 plus 72 equal to 116. Now we move on to the next example. Here we have two vectors a and b. A is minus I plus 2j. B is I minus 2j minus k. Here in these two vectors we have the unit vector. So a is going to be minus 1 plus 2 and 0 since it doesn't have the k component. And b is going to be 1, minus 2 and minus 1. So the dot product between these two vectors will be minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 0 into minus 1. And that is minus 1 minus 4 plus 0, which equals to minus 5. Now moving on to the next example. Here we have two vectors in which one vector is k minus 2 and 3 and the other vector is 2, 2k minus 6 and 6. In this question they're asking us to find the values of k in which both of these vectors are perpendicular. It might look like a complex question, but it's actually pretty easy. If you refer to the properties of dot product in the previous video, we know that for two vectors to be perpendicular, the dot product between those two vectors is 0. So here the dot product between k minus 2, 3 and 2k minus 6 and 6 equals 0. Now we can simplify this using our dot product equation. So this would be 2k plus minus 2 into 2k minus 6 plus 3 into 6 equals 0. So this is 2k minus 4k plus 12 plus 18 equals 0. Solving for k, we get minus 2k plus 30 equals 0, where k equals 15. So that's it for our examples. Hope you're familiar with the dot product for two algebraic vectors now. Now in our website, in the problems and solutions, we have some questions for you to try with the solutions attached to it. So you can try it first and then refer to the solutions for checking it. And then in the assessment section, we have a quiz and an assignment, which is pretty easy to do, and we have the solutions for these assignments and the quiz posted as well. Now if you want to extend your knowledge on the dot product, you can go to our Learn More section, where we have videos by other tutors which explains dot product pretty well. And then we have a few more links which you can explore, which will for sure help you in your understanding of dot product. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to support NetCalculus. Thank you.